This is a factory Lusso mid-range door speaker mounted in its factory mounting fixture. This is the factory wiring harness. This is a high-end speaker mounted in my new 3D printed Lusso mounting fixture. Notice that I've actually incorporated the same electrical connector and pins as the factory counterpart. So all you need to do is just put your fingers on these two little releases, push them into each other, hold, pull out the connector. You can let go of the releases and just push in until you hear it click, and voila!